Hey everyone, I'm back. If you're looking for some summertime, springtime motivation to get your backyard patio cleaned up, you're in the right place. I'm starting a budget-friendly makeover series. This is gonna be the start of it. I spent a total of $30. That's it. Everything else I already had. Now, I will share with you a lot of this stuff we ended up getting last year when the quarantine happened and we were all stuck at home. We decided to drop some money on the back porch since we would be spending a lot of time out there. At the end, I will break down for you everything I bought for this year and everything I bought last year, so you kind of have an idea of what everything costs. Hopefully this just inspires you to use what you have, clean it up, and create a space that you love.
Fired all of the bullets. Yeah, you shot me through the heart. Casting dice and roulette. The game was set right from the start. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna know, I don't want it anymore.
Look how filthy this thing is. I had really hoped that a new rug would be... I'm filming! What?
It's not gonna happen, I'm sorry.
So I had really hoped that a rug So I had really hoped that a new rug would be in the budget for this porch makeover. However, our puppies still have a habit of chewing things up, including rugs, and I spent $50 on this last year. I'm gonna see if I can salvage it and save that money until we get past the chewing stage. So Steven's getting the pressure washer, and we're gonna pressure wash this thing and see what happens. Just experiment. Bad news, pressure washer busted everywhere. I don't know if that got caught on film. So we're down a pressure washer. So we'll see what solutions we come up with next.
I don't wanna go, don't wanna know, but I keep coming back for more. Crashing down in the rain, all things are burning up in flames. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder.
We tried to fix the pressure washer and it didn't work. So Steven's going to try and replace that hose. And we're gonna go from there. We never were able to find the right hose for the pressure washer, but Mother Nature hooked us up with some rain this week. I apologize if it's a little windy out here, but I wash our windows about once a year, and honestly, I could probably stand to wash it a little more. They just get so dirty. You can see where a tennis ball hit. Like, these screens just get so dusty. It's kind of hard to tell with the reflection, but I like to clean the screens too and just shine them up. So we'll do that today.
We're going under, bang bang like thunder.
Okay, so all I'm using to clean is a little bit of Dawn and this little squeegee wash thing that has actually come in handy for a lot of uses. I'll clean my shower with it, I'll clean my bathtub with it, I'll clean my car with it, and it was only like $3 from Walmart. But with as much as I use it, I probably would spend a little bit more and get a better quality one. Once this one finally breaks, I will replace it. Another tip if you want to wash your screens is to do your screens while they're still in, and then what I'm going to do is I'll take them off and just rinse them off and then wash the window underneath it. One time I took the screens off and washed them separately, and it was a lot more difficult because you're putting pressure on it and they're knocking over, and you don't want to lay them down in the grass or the dirty ground. So wash your windows while they're still, or wash your screens while they're still attached, remove them, rinse them, much easier. But look at the difference. Do you know how to put screens in without bending them?
The ones I told you not to take out because of that? I can figure it out. I'm on it. Where are they?
And that's how you get out of putting your screens back in the windows. I really had hoped to get this off, but I think I made a dent in it. I'm gonna have the kids help me try and clean off some of these muddy footprints. We have had a lot of rain and puppy footprints just get everywhere. I put fresh water in the bucket.
Mom, I'm cleaning.
Thank you, buddy. So we have this fountain. Hopefully it still works. We haven't used it all of winter, so I'm gonna give it a quick vacuum, get some of the dust and the cobwebs up, and then we're gonna fill it up and turn it on and see if it works. It's working! Here it goes! Yay! One thing I still haven't been able to solve is this big mud patch. That's what's caused 99% of the mess with the puppies running through that and running on the patio and getting on the rug and all that. So put your suggestions down below. Help me solve this. I believe it's caused by the dogs running around the house, you know, when they're running from side to side. And it's just tearing up the grass, and then also, you know, stepping off the porch and peeing. So I don't know what the solution is. I thought about getting sod and laying that down, but I just don't want them to turn around and kill that. And I thought about maybe laying gravel of some sort. I don't know. Let me know what y'all would do.
Hey, Shannon,
What?
you got a sweat spot in the back of your shirt.
It's not a sweat spot. I sat in the red chair with the pillows.
Okay.
Thanks a lot.
No problem.
Ah!
I was just trying to show your hard work. Scream at it. Scream at it.
All right, let's go.
Get it, girl. Get it, girl. I'll be your cheerleader.
All right, finishing touches, and we'll show you the review. Here's the before so we can all remember.
Head held high, even though it's not a lie that we need deep in the dust. Killing time while pretending that we're fine, thinking someday we will burst. You and I are falling behind and I'm ready to go. Get out while we're whole. Now take my advice. Take my advice. Let go, I wanted you. I know.
So the only things I bought for this makeover were 2 of these little footstools. I figured people could use them to set their drinks on, their food on, or their feet on. I got these at Five Below, y'all. $5 each. I also got this little table at Five Below this year. So there's $15 in furniture. And then I spent $7.50 on each of these. The flowers are actually red, so it kind of goes with the little red theme I have going on back here. For the rest of the furniture, we got this last year from Walmart. I want to say it was $2.49 or $2.99. It actually came with a canopy, but this is like really breezy in here, and we had one storm that just came and this thing went flying and the canopy ended up breaking. If you want one with a canopy, just know it does come with a canopy. Then we have this citronella plant that looks really sad. Hopefully I can revive it. These retro chairs I actually found on Facebook Marketplace. I got both of them for 60 bucks and I was so excited. So Steven and I got tired of having to share our swing seat, so we needed extra seating over there. So now the kids have a comfy place to sit too. This was a Walmart rug last year for 50 bucks. We got this fountain for another $250 and it just adds a really nice ambiance. I've got to try and fix the drippage there. My mom actually, on one of her visits, she purchased these chairs. They're actually rock. They're really, really, really nice. So she got us 2 of those, and then we purchased this table, and I have no idea how much it cost, but I do believe we got it from Lowe's. And then this precious plant that my stepdad brought up for me, and then our grills. So yeah. Now it's time to go make myself a margarita and enjoy my back porch. Thank you guys for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments what you think, what you would have done differently. If you want to come over and have a margarita with me. I can't wait to show you more of our budget-friendly makeover series. I have a lot planned that I have been working on, and I just know y'all are gonna love it. Bye.